my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I have been wanting to say this from so long, and trust me, I do. So, now that I'm here today, let's just talk about today's video a bit. So, as the title suggests, this video is all about Blue Heaven Cosmetics haul. Now, talking about Blue Heaven, it's a Indian makeup brand, and I wanted to try these products from Blue Heaven from so long, but I don't know what took me like so long because I have like kept on procrastinating this video from ages, and now I'm here. So and also one thing that I want to tell you guys is that before trying these products, I was going through some kind of reviews for this brand, and I received like bunch of mixed reviews. Like 50% of people were saying that it's a good brand, and then at the same point 50% of people were saying that it's not. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna order the products by myself, I'm going to try it on myself, on my skin, and then I will tell you guys that how it really worked for me. And um yeah, what is it is all about. So without any further ado, let's just start the video. First product that I have with me is this little baby right here. This one is Blue Heaven oil free makeup foundation, and it's in the shade cream beige. So they have like these two shades available with them in this, which is like one is this cream beige and the other one is natural beige. Now when I ordered this, I thought that it is gonna work for my skin tone, but now like when it arrived, I feel like it's not my color, like it's not the color which is going to match my skin tone. So I thought, okay, I'm still gonna try this. And I feel like first of all, this one is not that high coverage foundation. This is like very sheer to medium coverage foundation, and it is in like orangish kind of tone, which is like not good again. But when I tried this foundation, I feel like when you like apply your powder over it, it really like settles itself down, if I make sense. But yeah, like I have used it to just review this product. Still I'm not so sure about the shade. Like I feel I'm also going to order the next shade that they have in this, which is natural beige. And one more thing, that it's not very expensive. This is of I guess 85 or 75 rupees, which is I feel like quite okay, actually very affordable. Now it claims to be sun with a sunscreen, and it gives you matte finish, which it doesn't, trust me. So yeah, that is all about this foundation. And like if you want to invest your money into this, you can, like you can use this kind of foundation with for daily basis, but you can't really expect it to be like that high coverage foundation. And one thing that I really liked about it is that it comes with this applicator. Like most of the foundations don't come with these kind of applicators, so you can just simply apply it. So yeah, that's that about this product. Moving on to the next product, I have this Blue Heaven compressed powder. So when I ordered this powder, I was like, okay, this is gonna like work for me. First of all, my shade is Marvel 02, but I what made me disappointed is, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. So like when I ordered this one, it came with this broken mirror, which is again like disappointing. So like now leaving this apart, I'm gonna show you. So it opens like this, and we have this little sponge right here, I mean applicator. Now again you can see that the product is actually broken, you guys. See, like this and this, it literally came out. So but like if I keep all of these things apart, then this is like a very 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 nice product. I'm gonna show you, wait, see, this is the pigmentation of this product. So like, okay, I mean it's of 125 rupees, which is again I feel very cheap or not very expensive. So still, if you want to like try something on for daily basis, you can invest your money into this. And it's like what all I have got, like this broken product. If I keep all of these things apart, then yeah, it's a nice product and you can give it a try. Hey guys, so the next product which I'm going to talk about is this Blue Heaven Expression pancake. So it claims to be 100% waterproof, but I think it's not. Now moving on with the product, um so one thing that I want to tell you is that when I ordered this one, like when I was going through all the shades, it seemed to be much more darker in the picture than this real one. Also, just to like tell you guys, my shade is like the one that I have ordered is roasted almond. Now it looks something like this. um Let me open this for you. So it comes with this kind of sponge, which I suggest you should not use on your skin because it can be like harmful for your skin. Now keeping that aside, so this is how it looks like. Now one thing that I want to tell you is that I ordered this one, like the main purpose that I've had before ordering this one was to use it as my contour. uh I think is that if you're one shade darker than me, then this is not going to like work for you. But again, I was disappointed with this product because of its like shade, but then it really worked well for me. So it's like kind of okay product. And the MRP of this one is 95 rupees, which again I feel is not very expensive. So yeah, that is all that I have for this product. Product that I have with me is this Blue Heaven Walk Free Waterproof Long Lash Mascara. Now, like, I really wanted to buy a new mascara first of all, and so I thought I should give this a try. Now, if I talk about this mascara, then I mean it's worth trying. If you are looking for something for like daily basis, then this can work for you. I feel like the MRP of this product is like what 125 rupees, which again I feel very not very expensive. And according to like if you compare it with its MRP, then obviously it's a good product. Like you can give it a try. Also, I'm gonna swatch it for you. So wait, so this is like how you're gonna get this one. I know like camera is not doing the justice on the product, but this is how it looks. So like you can give it a try. It's a good product, not really good, but like okay product. If you want to try something new for daily basis, then yes, you can try this one. Talking about the product that I have liked the most is this eyeshadow palette. So this one is Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, the packaging is amazing. So this is like how it looks from outside, and when you open it from inside, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. So talking about this product, I feel this is highly pigmented and I really like this one. So this is how it looks. And when I am gonna open it, this is the brush that you get with it. Now I really like this brush thing is because when you buy, like there are so many other brands which are very expensive and they give you these kind of brushes with this sponge and stuff like that, if I make sense. So when you and with this product you are getting like literally a brush which again you can't use to apply your eyeshadow, but then if you like want to use it to apply eyeshadow on your lower waterline or such doing such stuff, you can definitely use this brush. So I liked this thing. Now talking about the eyeshadow, I'm really impressed because it's highly pigmented, you guys. Like it's very pigmented. I wasn't really expecting these kind of pigmentation from this product, but like if you're looking for a eyeshadow, then you should definitely give this one a try. It's like in your budget again, and see, look at the pigmentation. It's amazing. So yeah, you can buy this product. See, I am like very impressed by this eyeshadow palette, to be honest. Um, and the MRP is 225, which again I feel is not very expensive. You can afford this one. So I suggest you that definitely give this one a try. Now last but not the least is this Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on. So it's a blush. Now I was little disappointed with this one. I'm gonna tell you why. So I've ordered like some pinkish kind of shade, and I got this one. This is not really pink shade, so like it made me little disappointed. But then again, talking about this product, it comes with this sponge again, which I suggest you not to use. And now this is in the shade 502 Diamond. And when you open this one, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it as a blush, even if it's not the shade that I have ordered. But like, I know it's not looking the way that it is in the camera, but so like I wasn't able to use it because it's, first of all, it's very pigmented, but it's very glittery. Like you cannot use it as a blush, to be honest. It's very glittery. Like I'm gonna show you guys. See, I know you can't really see this in camera, but it's so glittery. Like you cannot apply this as a blush. But then again, I can like use it on with my eyeshadows and like as highlighter or stuff like that. So I'm not really disappointed. I'm just disappointed because I did not receive the shade that I've ordered. But again, if I talk about this product, then it's a nice product, but you can't really use this one as a blush. So that is pretty much it about the Blue Heaven Cosmetics haul. I really hope that you guys liked this video. And also one thing that I want to say is that it's, of course, it's an Indian brand, so you should definitely give it a try. You can't expect each and every product to be perfect, but all I can say is that there are few products that are very good according to its price. uh, though there are few products which made me little disappointed, but then again there are few products which made me like feel very good. So I feel you should try them and see how it works for yourself. Do give it a try. This is all what I can say. And do let me know in the comment section below if you like this video and if you want me to upload more such videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Much love to all of you. Bye bye. Take care.